The other academy, the lending library of Heraclian's Pedagogical Academy during 1964 to 1967 and its role in student training. This chapter explores a frequently debated subject within the field of educational historiography, the nature and characteristics of teaching training. Pedagogical academies were the official institution of teacher training before the establishment of the relevant university departments in Greece in 1984. More specifically, this research focuses on the teaching studies provided by the Pedagogical Academy of Heraclion, Crete, Greece, in the period 1964 to 1967. The chapter offers a distinctive perspective through the application of a microhistorical approach. In the theoretical part of this paper, the development of pedagogical reflection at an international level is discussed, followed by specific historical data on the political developments that determine the operation of pedagogical academies in Greece during the period covered by the present research. The noticeable difference of this research is found in its methodology, since it utilizes the method of the microhistorical approach, making the concept of the book an important microunit for research. A more detailed attempt is made to highlight the unmistakable aspects of teaching training through the study of the lending library of this institution, without which it is proved that complete conclusions do not emerge on the subject under consideration. Introduction. This chapter explores teacher training in Greece between 1964 and 1967, a period marked by significant educational reforms. While teacher training is often viewed as neutral and essential for building a better society, it is actually influenced by political, social, and economic factors. These training programs can unknowingly support social inequality by not helping future teachers recognize the non-neutral role of their profession. The chapter focuses on a less discussed aspect of teacher education, the lending library. Specifically, it examines the library of the Pedagogical Academy of Heraclion in Crete, which provided unique insights that challenge common views about teacher training during that time. This library acted as an alternative academy, revealing that not all educational practices aligned with dominant narratives, and it offered a different perspective on how reforms were implemented and experienced at the local level. Conclusions. This study examines teacher training at the Pedagogical Academy of Heraclion PAH during 1964 to 1967. Using a unique method that analyzes the content of its lending library rather than official government documents. The findings reveal that the books promoted a conservative, didactics-focused teaching model that often ignored modern educational reforms and international academic trends. Psychology, pedagogy, and philosophy were grouped together in ways that reduced their depth, while topics like group work, modern history, and social sciences were downplayed. Interestingly, folklore was highlighted, reflecting a nationalistic tone. Overall, the library subtly reinforced traditional and ethnocentric ideas, often contradicting course content. It acted as a hidden curriculum, a second academy, that shaped teacher training in a quiet but powerful way, limiting critical thinking and promoting dominant ideologies rather than democratic or progressive education. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.